Abaya, Nebmen and Midano. You're in Fimo.
President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo speaking at Denkyira Boase in the central region of Ghana. Later, he's expected to head to the other parts of the western region. I told Denkyira Boase is very close to the western region, sort of. Samuel Yafe is the Flagstaff House correspondent for City FM. He is in studio to tell us briefly what the president was saying in that voice clip and also where he's expected to head next. So, Sami, what exactly was the president saying in Denkyira Boase?
Now, the president said he came to that particular town, a very sad man, on the back of what happened to the late Captain Mahama, where he was murdered in that particular area. But then he's not forgotten the people there. His policies and programs to ensure that Ghana becomes a better place. The people there are a part of that plan, and that those who caused this particular murder of Captain Mahama, now the late Major Mahama, will be punished. The law will take its course, and that all his programs and policies is bringing in the free SHS, and like the people of Denkyira Boase will benefit from it as well.
Oh, okay. So he has ended his tour of that particular township. Where is he headed from there?
From here, he's going to Sehuwi also, which is also in the northern part of the western region. From there, he will head to Takoradi, where I'm told that there's going to be a rally to address party supporters and the people in that particular area. He's spending 3 days starting today in the western region. From there, he will move to the central region, where he will spend 2 days and end it on Friday.
Okay, so what exactly is he doing? What was this tour about?
Basically, as part of his thank you tour. You know, when he was elected president, he announced that he's going to take days off work and go into these regions to thank the people, the chiefs and people there, for electing him as the president of the republic. So this is part of his thank you tour. He's done some other parts of the regions across the country. So there's a turn of the western region and the central region.
Samuel Yafe, Flagstaff House correspondent.
And I was say, any paper brains or me a galamse for and penufon echo 2 worms so say and power poor to a good baby. Now, one with Assassin so as senu edgy pesicano so, what draw womo, a will pray asante, and at a mantam emo. Now, tax force no juma medium Operation Vanguard. Has one woman's review, or many pedia one more ebano. Was it yes, dear, and so I know mom who be a woman you media is when you son emo, and your quite biasono, or my common times a galam safe one, don't know the best face so pa. Hakopim say, one more edumedian, bet me a bre and was a woman emo, and to one watch it so washer, so don't be far and raquine so not simple quarter, ye do my quaco puma and ne. Daily Graphic the Bokrat and Wabo Amania Kratafa to so emiens.
Na Daily Post the Abakratafa to 9 what say Senior Minister Nanaya was Safumafu and Waka saying what I say for now with the public sector no Abaya Juma no and one wire ma and Tinya dia Befa will be our bed to Memubio and Timonsan so. Say be a private business in companies no woman threat the woman same now woman to me accommodate graduate no bebre wo ho but who some wa ayama abaya duma no ayama who minister ha enipa na gba peso abi kura ne nam wa omu mobre bia enti welele enipa no kura abro so no womu ba be pambi womu do so dodo kwa banya duma mu a
be yiri pedi
wafa wasi wamu maminsa brofo kasa no okan no wasi government may even have to lay some off
nti yankropo na manifest it if say your nurses am kai ho eno omfani tu ya ika mu we no call the nearest hospital ayo AGA hospital no Boase ha ye no ko ho no mo ji no ko theater no mo ba every be kai say wasim
Commander, what are my best friend? I Ghana for being more drinks, a beer, you see, then Saboas. Yeah, Munia, Major Mama, a man for Edinburgh, with 17 and Kwana. They say task force, no, I'm the Musumoka. I said more Cottemu who be some more money and so can be some mobile phone once more.
Operation where a joint task force, police for 200, and armed forces for 200. Yeah, 400 a joint. Then yes, soldier for Kwana. Let's see what the robots are different. Yeah, special task force. About fire, professional police and military. On fire, cry your training. I'm almost sensitized here. code of conduct any the rules that govern us. Send a you say bibi we bibi a contrary to social standard the laws of the land can deal with you. In the and we see a way there bibi se obekaya almost at my warning and then ever. It's a ninety we see there. The person who say so we say a co patrols and I come one. Men to you men yeah if you say we are you would you what to you are so you know yes you transit say yes you boy home you think you yes you betu you be
all right enti na chese asem no ya na John Bodu kanwa ana wopani ka se wo mo kɔ no ye hyɛ de wo mo fa ntetie mu kyerɛ wo mo kwan a wo se wo mo fa so edi saa dwuma no enti se wo kɔfa ne se bia wo de bitterness bi ahye mu ana de kɔ akɔakɔdi dwuma awe ya wan kasa wo mra no na akɔakɔfo ha bi de me da wo mu no so say they were sensitized and trained enti na ehunu sa niema no bi ewom because to say the kana say excesses binum ya shase are creeping into dwumadie no a wo mo no to going forward no we enya ko the aseye an ye nyina ye pese ye niyi enti ye koye nimu no ye hwe kwan a ye de befa so enti se wote menka na wote fa ko a galamsey anase se wo ye galamsey no ebia memfa ne se wotan bi an obi ede ba so at the end of the day wonso abotre a ene adwempa a wonya wo Ghana ho se nchirimanti wonse nsase nchirimanti wonse nsuo no it is part of the nation building no into also contribution no but Operation Vanguard for ya mo so mon kai training no a and sensitization no a ye de mamo no na munya de no according to the wo mo ka se mon koye no na nkoye kai yay Michael Dokusu editor edema Daily Post and ebepie front page bagaya womatro ewo ajako lied every man de omo patch ne say obekaya rebia aja 5 million liters of contaminated oil be ya eno womo eton wo boss to contract no honsem nom ni ade banfo ka ya asenka openi Fred obin da kon ko wose wo free ho nom ni ade womo keka ka honsem ama fe eche Minister of Energy eba ka say BNI the report to be aba Daily Post force de ben report to ben ya eba da ben mopua enna so no ne say Mike akwaba
Enya
Bibia eboko de
Bibia boko also
Nyakopa da Roma ya so ejinam na enyina so ben de na muko hunu ye anamusumo secret camera bi abo minister officer every document eba ho bu ya de na hu ye se enye nokre
yo minya me da say chia with your phone so yeah investigations since time a minister never out because a BNI report aka say boss MD no Alfred Boating onye boni bia na so be kaya or the betu just say BNI fu na ye edi report by but one for report bia nchiro bia ye report bia BNI say mpin for sign say a friend is saying yeah my investigations ma omo reports any because the whole issue na kakra because Minister Nakasa na oba ese oma for me committee no BNI ka ho a on be investigations if you want oba ese BNI nkwa investigations o maba.
Yes, they are excited about it. They are saying that they would have to travel between 5 to 6 hours before getting to the regional capital, that is Sekendi or Takoradi, for discussions and all those things. And so they are thinking that when the Western North is created, it will bridge the communication gap between the residents or the people in that region and that of duty bearers. They will be able to have access to infrastructure, communication, development, and what have you. They are also thinking that because most of the resources are coming from that area, some of them even end up selling their cocoa in the Bono Ahafo and to central region because they find it difficult to transact business with Sekendi or the head office in Takoradi. And so now if the Western North is created, they will easily have access to officials or whoever is in charge of a particular desk or office. So they are very much happy about it. And immediately Nana mentioned that you could see that the chiefs and the people and others within where he is, they are very much happy and enthused about the pronouncement of the creation of the Western North. Francis.
Okay, so day 2 of his tour in the region. Where is he going today? What is he up to, the president?
Well, today he'll do a few inspections in Takwa. Then the major program for the president this morning is that the NPP is declaring today as the national wreath-laying ceremony to honor their founding fathers. And so for Axim, we'll move to Axim, where the president will lay a wreath on the tomb of one of their great founding fathers. That is the person of Pa Grant and other leading members of the NPP or founding members of the NPP. From Axim, we'll move to Elembele and also move to Jomoro, then back to Takoradi, Francis.
All right, Emmanuel, thank you. Thank you for the updates this morning on the president's tour and what he has been talking about. Thank you.